Warning system. TABULO facade board. Make the decorative elements before putting plaster. Start attaching TABULO boards from marking horizontal lines and securing the surface using masking tapes. Facade lining should be stretched so as to adopt a horizontal and flat shape before laying. Cut previously measured sections of board imitations using a little knife and bevel. It is worth spreading them on a flat surface before final attachment so as to avoid possible mistakes in relation to the envisaged pattern. Desks are usually attached from the top down. We recommend you to start gluing from glyphs. You have to cover the edges with an acrylic stain before gluing, which is delivered with the boards to hide those edges.
Akrylową, która jest również w zestawie, tak aby te krawędzie po prostu nie były widoczne. Jedną stronę i drugą stronę.
Stain on both sides in order to get an effect after folding, which is truly the simplest and the most desired in case of TABULO boards.
Który jest tak naprawdę najprostszy i najbardziej pożądany w naszym efekcie deski TABULO. Zaznaczamy sobie.
With a pencil, mark a hypothetical line to the place where you will string the glue to prevent the glue from wasting. The glue dries out fast. If you tap it below this line, there will be a waste for sure. This glue should be tapped. Do not throw it to the bucket. Unfortunately, it is not to be used anymore. Start to string the glue. It is important for glue strands to be disposed perpendicularly to the board. At that moment, start gluing. Press by hand. Second piece. Tap the excess of glue. Now, determine a grout, either by X marking or intuitively. If someone is clever and imaginative enough, they can do without crosses brilliantly. Press using a hard roller to push out an air. Lead out the grout immediately. The grout may be led out by this kind of spatula. Immediately wash. This is just an ideal effect which you want to reach in the corners here. Hemming corners in this way is unacceptable. Cut and add necessarily. This external edge should be aligned. This kind of stuff is unacceptable. Proceed analogically. String the glue to the width of two boards and stick a board. Determine the grout. Press with a roller. Adjust the glue. However, it is important that the glue should fulfill the whole width of each grout.
Jeśli mamy do czynienia
If you have to do it with a bevel which is not that straight, cut with a knife the protruding section of the board using knife.
Miejsca cięcia
Be
oczywiście
sure to cover the
pędzlujemy.
cutting places with stain.